Hello everyone. So want to swap Ethereum to Solana without leaving your wallet? Here is how to do it fast and easy using Phantom's cross-chain swapper. So if you don't know what that is, this is their cross-chain swapper. I'll leave this link down in the description so that you can learn more about it. All right. So first of all, if you don't already have the Phantom wallet, just go to phantom.app and download the browser extension or the mobile uh, app. You can download it for Edge or Chrome, and then you need to create a new wallet or restore an existing one. So don't forget to back up your recovery phrase. This is key to your funds. Then you need to fund your Phantom wallet with Ethereum. You can transfer Ethereum from another wallet or use providers like MoonPay or PayPal. Now, next, click the Swap tab and you will see the cross-chain swapper appear automatically if you are swapping between blockchains. Like this, you can just choose that and then click the provider and you'll see the swappers here. And then just simply tap swap. Then, yeah, after that, you just need to choose Solana as the token you want to receive. Phantom will automatically find the best bridge route for your swap. And you'll see estimated fees, transfer time, and you can even see um, I mean, you can even pick between the fastest or best return options. And when everything looks good, just click the review order and confirm and sign the transaction on your wallet. Review order and then confirm, then click swap. That's all there is to it. And another method is to use Tors Torswap, not Thor actually. This is Torswap, and this is a third-party provider, but Phantom already has their cross-chain swapper, so I don't think you'll need to use this one. But if you want to, you can go to this link here and swap your Ethereum for Solana. Anyway, that's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.